So from our mood boards, we can create storyboards or even embed the storyboards from Figma right inside our Lucidspark board. The storyboards give us our visual identity, a predetermined look and style that should never be altered. Ever, Brenda. But if things do change along the way, Lucid makes it easy to update boards, make comments, add notes, and share any changes with the team in real time.
Now that we have a final script, we've identified a look and a feel with our mood boards, and we've identified a visual blueprint with our storyboards. We can create a detailed shot list to help us know exactly what and how to film each shot during production. All right, Mr. Zamel, I'm ready for my close-up.